Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyagos here, the CryptoPie, and today we're going to be talking about Ethereum, guys. Why? Well, the last few days I've only talked really about Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin kind of indicates where the market's going. Over Ethereum is doing something totally different, guys. It's capitulating, it's really like falling. So I know a lot of you guys are holding Ethereum, and I don't mind it, because Ethereum you can always go into ICOs with, etc., and double Ethereum or whatever. But that means you need to pick the best ICOs possible, right? And in this bearish market, it's really hard. So, yeah, if you're holding from any of these higher, highs, right? You're feeling it. I mean, I'm not feeling it at all, because I'm pretty much holding it from the 300s. It's whatever, right? So, yeah. And I don't have many, because most of it is in ICOs, unfortunately. Yeah, so yeah, if you look at this 0.786, guys, that's our next Fibonacci target. Alright, I took the fib from here. I don't take this, right? This is some extreme, probably only happened on Binance. Yeah, 192, that's my start, and then obviously it's my top, right? And you can see things are lining up pretty good. So yeah, I'll keep this fib, and that means we can expect about $450–460. You really gotta wait for this zone here, guys, if you want to be a buyer, right? That's your buy zone. Let's make it green. Alright, this is your buy zone. And yeah, I mean, what's there to tell about it? I mean, let's just see if we can derive some more targets to about 450, 460. Let's just see what's going on, right? So if we take the Fibonacci fib extension, and what if we take a swing high to swing low to swing high? That's not a good assumption. Or this one, swing high, swing low, swing high. Now we're getting somewhere. So the 1.272 also lines up to about it, right? So you know, well, this is what I like to do. I make my buy area smaller, right? So now I have this as my buy area. You know, we can keep going like this. So what if we have another swing high, swing low, another swing high, another 2.272, and we can make it even smaller if I wanted to, right? This 453, and we just keep deriving here, because what I really saw here was we had a 5 wave, right? Obviously not that hard to spot here, correct? So we had a 5 wave up. So we go ABC down, right? We go ABC down. Basically A, B, and then probably C, right? And whereas, you know, I believe this is all good. Okay, so this probably has 5 waves in there if I count them, and A to B has obviously A, B, C. So that's in there, but now from B to C we need to have 5 waves down, right? So 5 waves down, guys. What if well, this gets us really bearish. I mean, this gets us to 280 territory. I don't believe it's that bearish. Now, probably because we already had that wave, right? I mean, if we zoom in here and we take the Fibonacci extension here, from there to there, we have a nice 1-to-1 around 920, and then a 2.272 where they capitulated. So we already have a 5 wave down here, guys. Let me take my 5 waves here. Right, we had 5 waves there. Let's just get rid of the lines, right? And then we had a A, B, C again, and now, yeah, this is the count, guys. This is the count, right? The ABC again, and now we get another 5-way down. So if this is ABC, then this is the high, low, new high, 1.618, 1.272. It's also around the $460 area, guys. So, you know, you just keep deriving, and that's kind of how you can do your counts, right? To get a like overall vision of where we're heading, right? 4 doesn't go into 1, so that's good, and then the 5 will be around here, right? So, and we can make this a wave, right? That's no problem, because this is our last one. So something like this, guys. How does that look? That looks okay. You know, 4 doesn't go into 1, 1, 2 is a steep retrace. However, now we've done this, we go look at some algo targets, right? So if we did like this, it retraced to about 6.65, no, 618. So they targeted negative 618 here, and they hit that target, no problem. And if they were conservative, they targeted negative 236. Okay, so they hit that. So what if then wave 2 to 3 retraced very bearish? We retraced only to 0.382. So the algos are targeting negative 236. You can see that they hit that, and it keeps going. So in this last in the 5th wave, this is there's gonna be 5 sub waves. I can already see that because there's 1, and then all of a sudden we have a 2. So you know, just by doing this, guys, right, you can see. So what about this? We were also 382. So they are targeting for a negative 236. They went right through that target. So the negative 618 is around the $466 area. So you can see this area, guys, is full of confluences, right? The $450 to $460 area. That's full of confluences on Ethereum. And yeah, so within this 5th wave, we can definitely have another 5 waves, right? Something like that. Can definitely have another. Oh shit! Oh, something like that, guys. We can definitely have that. So, in order to get there, so that is what I expect on Ethereum, and that's how you should do your analysis too. Alright. So when you think you know you have a buy zone with one just deriving from one method, then you go to the next. Alright, so you do Fibonacci. First you take the big fib, alright, then you take a look at left, and you see all the price action. You make a bigger box, and then with your fib you get a line, and then you start counting the fib extensions. You get another line, you make it smaller, and then from there you start looking at what I recently learned from Devil Trader, which is algo trading. Alright, so you look at algo targets, and then you start deriving targets from there, and you see there's a lot of confluences, and if there's a lot of confluences in one area, that means there's going to be a big buy zone here. Alright, so my target really is right here, guys, so 460-ish, all the way down to like 420. Okay, so that is just my buy area, guys. This is my buy area on Ethereum. So this is how we derived it, and yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That's Ethereum for you. So, you know, we'll see how it plays out, but that's just my quick analysis on Ethereum, and my buy area is between $430 and $460. Alright, so yeah. Also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, where you can ask me any questions, you can ask other people questions. Alright, now for the people who are saying 3 and 4K on Bitcoin, it is possible. It is the 0.886 Fibonacci line. However, do we get there? I don't know. We will definitely have a bounce first before we go down there. Alright, 786 is a strong level, guys. And we nearly hit that. That's a 7.2. Maybe we reversed before it, and we'll just have to have to see from there, right? See how strong it is. So yeah, join it with the CryptoPies blog. Also join it with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, basically all my announcements, and you know, I post about ICOs. However, not right now, because we're in a bear market, and that means bearish sentiment and bearish returns, right? So yeah, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.